Hey everybody, I'm back with another episode of the Dansco albums. Today we're going to be doing the Washington quarters. These went from 1932 until 1998 when the backs changed, the reverse. So this is kind of a stable set. Everybody seems to collect quarters, halves, and they're more so a stacking thing. Here I pulled some out from the circulation of the different collections. These are going to be about 6.25 grams, 90% silver, anything from 1932 until 1964. Their total net weight with the copper and the silver is going to be 0.18084 pure ounces of silver. It is going to have the George Washington on the obverse and the eagle on the reverse, and the mint mark is on the reverse underneath the olive branch, underneath the eagle's talons. It's kind of a set that I pulled mostly out of circulation of some of the stuff that was the nicest stuff, so I bought this all at scrap. It's kind of a fun set. There's a couple that are missing. Rarest, 1932D and 1932S, 1934D are some of the rarer dates in here. The rest of it is pretty easy to get out of circulation. It's just slowly upgrading it from stuff there and then eventually buying stuff that's a little bit nicer and graded. Towards the 64s, they're going to be in the 60s, they're going to be a nicer grade condition-wise. And then after the 65, when everything went to a copper-clad, that is going to be where most people stop collecting those. There's a couple, better dates, like the 65, the year that they did switched over, seems to bring a premium. The 83 seems to bring a premium. And then some of the nicer, higher grade in the mint state, some of those will actually bring a better premium for you too. Once you get into the bicentennial for the 76 has the drummer boy on the back. So overall, fun set's pretty much complete. There's a couple that I'll be adding to it as I find them, and some I'll have to probably buy outright. But this is some of the stuff that got me started back in the beginning of just picking up, $3 or $4 face every week, and then start pulling out better ones. I just keep on switching out whenever I get something a little nicer. Just add it to the book and remove and sell the other one, just to keep on continuing on stacking. Just a holding history, figuring out where each one of these coins have been. It's just kind of a great way to do it. Even in 1932, there was 5.4 million coins that were minted, and then in 32, the Denver Mint and the San Francisco, we're talking in the 400,000. So they are pretty limited on the production. Once you get closer to the 60s, most of those are in the 500,000 to the high 100,000s. As always, stay tuned. Like to see you come to the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, see what you want to see in the next videos, and keep on stacking.